English, right?
So I adopted...
Same way as in the wild, a young male silverback bunny. What do you do?
Well, off the back of the success of Cats Does Countdown, Susie and I do another show called... It's really similar. It's on every weekday, 2:40 channel...
Day?
2:40 in the day, yeah. Very popular.
Employed and pensioners. Paths.
Thank you, Jonathan. Start with R. Just you.
Sure. Please, Rachel.
E. 2. T. C.
Why did you say...
I. F. U. T. R.
OK, and so at the end of that round, it's...
You know you can pick whatever you want. I've got a feeling Sean's press. 7, 8, 10. This one might be a hard one. And 125. And the target, 387.
Close enough.
No, it's got to be within 10.
Yeah.
100 over 25, yep, 4.
Times by 8 is 32.
Yep.
Add the 7.
39.
Times by 10.
Times by 10, yeah, 3 away.
OK, 7 points.
Yep, you could have said 10 minus 8 is 2.
Correct. Check this as she goes along.
Divided by 2 is 2. 50 minus 7 is 43, and times that by 9 for 387.
Wow. Your turn to choose.
OK.
Yes, thank you, Rasheen. Q.
Rachel.
You may. I.
Consonant, please.
N. V.
Can I have one of the nice ones, please, Rachel?
I can try. H.
Yes, Rachel.
E.
Please, Rachel.
U.
Please.
S.
Please.
And the last one. L.
OK, 7 points there for Unveiled.
Top.
Yeah.
You give yourself too many big numbers, don't you?
I think one's easier than
One,
2.
yes. Do I need one big
None from the top square.
Please, Rachel.
One from the top.
Number.
Well, it works out.
Right, one large. You gone easy. You've lost your nerve. One large, 5
No,
small.
then change it then.
What's your final answer?
Everywhere.
3 We'll have 3, 8 and 9, and then we'll have 50 and 100 and 70. And target 306.
100 is
Yeah.
300.
300.
Eight.
Did you miss
Lots of numbers. So 175 is...
150.
Yes.
350. We're getting warmer.
OK, and then what have we got less on the board there? We've got...
Two left.
And that's how I got down to...
And used all the numbers. Yeah, you could have said 75 times 3 is 225. Add the 100 and take away the 9 for 316. I'm a little bit scared.
Fucking brilliant. Time to help this one. I'm working on my next one.
We'll have a consonant, please, Rachel.
Too touchy.
Please.
G. N. E.
Please.
S.
Please.
I.
Please.
B.
And...
E.
Good luck, everyone.
Nest, and you double check that.
Ice cream.
You took a shot, it didn't pay off. It's fine.
Well.
Fantastic.
Beatings.
Well done.
Yeah.
Top, and then the rest from whatever.
Does anyone mind if I watch Taggart?
We got 10, 3, 9, another 9, 6, and 50, and the target, 437. What year is that from?
50.
10 times 50 is 500. 6 times 9 is 54, but keep going.
54.
Yeah,
And
4,
then
4,
I'm
6.
way off.
So you... Oh, no, you're only...
There's 2 9s, Rasheen.
Okay, take the 9.
50 minus 10 minus 3.
9 times 54, 50. Yep, same result. Well done.
Consonant, please.
You do those.
I do.
I'll whack a
You're
vowel.
going to help. Thanks, Joe.
Yeah, I'm bored.
L.
Consonant, please.
Fine.
D. X.
Forgot.
So is that something you can do, or did you learn that?
Vowel, another vowel. That's
Go for it.
please.
You.
U,
This is so much work.
E,
Add a consonant. Sit down, sir.
N,
What's the last one?
N.
N.
Be
I should have had nodular, shouldn't I?
Yeah, would have been great. We'd have a capital R in the middle anyway.
OK, Jonathan, you're 8.
Isn't they?
To use as a